helpful tips and facts to get pregnant quickly. This video is supplement to the three other earlier videos on how to get pregnant fast and easy. Scientists have found that eating a big breakfast could boost your chances of conceiving. Missionary position is best for getting pregnant. Do lay low right after intercourse. Lie in bed with your feet in the air after having sex to increase your chances of getting pregnant. It's good advice to lay in bed for 10 to 15 minutes after intercourse, but you don't need your feet in the air. Goldfarb says, your pelvis does not move when you put your legs in the air. Don't go to the bathroom during this time either. He says, if you wait 10 to 15 minutes, the sperm that is going to get into the cervix will be in the cervix. This way you are helping the sperm fertilize your egg. Avoid trans fats. Women who ate foods containing higher amounts of trans fats, animal proteins, and carbohydrates, among other dietary factors, were more likely to have an ovulation problems causing infertility in about 20% of women seeking help in becoming pregnant. The researchers concluded that a majority of such cases may be preventable by adjusting diet and lifestyle. Consume choline. Choline is a nutrient that helps reduce harmful gene effects that may result in birth defects. Egg yolks are rich in choline. Only beef liver contains more. Cauliflower is the highest choline-containing veggie. Stay fluid. When you don't drink enough water, your cervical fluid, the stuff that helps the sperm find the target egg, becomes sluggish. The same goes for a man's ejaculate fluid. Drink enough water so that your urine is a light yellow color. Cut caffeine. High caffeine intake interferes with conception. Once you're pregnant, caffeine also crosses the placenta and can affect the fetus and even cause miscarriage. stop smoking. Smoking cigarettes can impair both a woman's and a man's fertility.